This video will show you how to set up your diffusion tube for monitoring. Here is a list of things you will need. Your diffusion tube. It's important to remember that these should always be refrigerated unless they are actively monitoring. The tube holder. These will stay at your monitor site for the entire 12 months. Cable ties or zip ties to fasten the tube holder to a pipe or railing, and your record sheet to collect information about when you change over your tube. Before you install your diffusion tubes, there are some questions to think about when picking the perfect location. Will this tube capture the data you're interested in? It's best not to change your monitor position once you've started collecting data, so make sure to work this out at the beginning. Is the tube placed high enough from the ground to prevent passers-by interfering with the equipment? The ideal height is about 1.5 to 2 meters high. Is there free flow of air around the tube? Is it away from air vents, fans, obstructions, or anything else that affects airflow? Once you've found the best location, you can set up your diffusion tube holder for the first time. Simply slide a cable tie through the gap in the holder and use it to attach the tube holder to a fixed place outside. Now you have fitted your tube holder, it's easy to begin monitoring. Take your diffusion tube out of the fridge and record details of the barcode on your changeover sheet. Put a diffusion tube in the holder with the grey cap facing upwards. Remember, grey skies above. Then, take the white cap off the bottom of the tube and record the time when you did so on your changeover sheet. Make sure to keep the white cap in a safe place as you will need it for next month's changeover. Now, you just leave the tube up undisturbed until the next changeover time. After a month, it will be time for another changeover. You'll unclip the tube from the holder and put the white cap back on the bottom of the tube. Then, replace the old tube with a new one from your fridge, following the same steps as you did before. Record the time you did this changeover on your reporting sheet. Remember, new and used tubes always need to be refrigerated when you're not monitoring. This means if you don't plan to drop off your tube straight away, it needs to go back into your fridge until you do. You can return used tubes to your drop-off point and collect a new one.